Hello, this is Kevin Hagigad in association to Athabasca University in conjunction with the I-Core project as well as MILE prototype. In this particular session, I will demonstrate to you how to install the MILE tracer extension for BlueJ. First thing you must do, you must install the BlueJ application. That you can do by downloading the executable directly from bluej.org under download section. This particular session will focus on the Windows installation of the extension. Although the other operating systems will be similar in the format of installation. So once you have downloaded the executable and you have installed it, you will find a BlueJ icon on your desktop. When you open it, you'll see that the BlueJ application opens, at which point you can go ahead and start a new project or open an existing project. Next, we need to go to the internet browser and open a page to mile.athabascau.ca. Under the download section, you want to download the BlueJ tracer extension. Once you have downloaded the BlueJ tracer extension to any location of your choice, I prefer to download items to my desktop and then file them, you need to go over to the location where BlueJ was installed. The simplest way to do this is to right click on the icon on your desktop for BlueJ and choose properties. Depending on your version of Windows, you will either see open file location or open target location. Nevertheless, when you do select the location, you will go to the exact path where BlueJ was installed. You want to go into a subdirectory called lib and then another subdirectory called extensions. By default, BlueJ has an extension called submitter installed. So now what we need to do is we need to drag our extension that we have downloaded to this location. Now that you have copied the file over to this location, you're done. You actually have installed the application, or rather the extension, to BlueJ. Now the first time you open BlueJ after installation of the extension, you'll have to provide some settings. To do that, we open BlueJ. Immediately and every time after installation of the extension, you will be asked if you want to use the tracer extension. In this case, we'll say yes. Next, you'll be asked for your student ID. This here is where you enter your student ID provided by the university. Next, you're asked to enter your assignment ID. Assignment ID would be that provided to you by the instructor on the Moodle site. In this case, I'm going to choose TMA1. And lastly, you'll be asked as to where you want the files to be stored. I've created a folder on the desktop called COM272, inside of which I've created a folder called MILE. This is where all the MILE tracer data will be located. Press open and we begin working on our assignments. When you close the application, you can double check the location. You'll see that the session trace data has been saved as an MTD, a MILE trace data document. The formatting of the name is MILE, your student number, the TMA number, and a unique identifier for this particular session. Everybody will get a completely unique identifier for this particular session, for their session IDs. Every time you run BlueJ, if you choose to accept the usage of tracer extension, a new file will be created. Once you are done with your assignment, you will have to zip this folder. You can right click using Windows application or Windows operating system and say compress to folder, and then you can send this file along with the assignment files to your instructor via Moodle. This concludes the installation of BlueJ tracer extension of MILE onto BlueJ on a Windows operating system. Thank you and have a nice day.